Whoops.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's like frozen right off.
Yeah, that's one of those center force.
We're gonna go over this car, the undercarriage, all the suspension, nuts and bolts. Make sure everything is tight and secure. So like I said, this thing's never been out on the road. It kind of just got finished up and drivable. But it's completely restored underneath. Floor pans, everything got taken care of and painted. And it's got Detroit Speed subframe connectors that we're gonna weld up at the very end. The last thing we're gonna do is weld the subframe connectors to the subframe, but they're all welded in, as you can see here, all the way back. Everything's brand new under here, including that pretty Ford 9-inch narrowed. Sorry about the lighting. Detroit Speed nitrogen filled shocks. Of course, it's got a Detroit Speed mini tub kit. Just a nice clean car. Figured I'd give you guys a shot with the light on. It's got a quick performance 9-inch, the 370 gear. Brand new. Got a Muncie M21 4-speed. It's been rebuilt. Ceramic headers and the 383. It's got Ride Tech, complete Ride Tech strong arm front suspension, upper and lower control arms, coilovers, spindles, sway bar, a whole Ride Tech setup. So we're just gonna go over everything. Just said, make sure everything's tight before we get it out on the road. Here's the 64 Corvette we're getting ready to paint. See, it's all in bare fiberglass. This one runs and drives. It's just ready for a paint job. Be put back together. It's a nice car, really straight, clean car. Got lucky when we found this one. As you can see, there's really no major fiberglass damage. It's stripped and this is all original body panels. So it should be pretty straight and easy to get back into paint. But we'll see. Shot of the dash. Really nice clean car, original seat covers. Super clean. Shot under the hood, it's a 327, 365 horse, 4-speed. It's not the original engine, but we do have the numbers matching original engine for the car. I believe the original one was a 327, 300 horse. But yeah, it's a nice, clean car. This one's actually gonna keep the small block, not get a big block like all the other cars.
All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.